about exact content.
No, total full
What I
school.
remember, there has been around 8.3 crore usually for this institution. And I was astonished when I entered at the beauty of this school. So your colleague they were asking me that this school is now supposed to be the best structurally better than our,
Infrastructure.
So far infrastructure is concerned better than our class school. So we want really very good this kind of infrastructures of schools and hospitals are coming up. And it is ultimately for the sake of the people. We will use it. And this is one kind of this school is some, you can consider it as a temple. So from here the people will come, they will pass out and they will develop our state as well as our country. So I wish this infrastructure of this school in future a great success.
Total 4 schools. Total today.
This one, no?
No, total today you have inaugurated today.
That already I have mentioned.
Yeah. Sir, you have hinted about your party particularly don't need advice, rather you need partners. And you also hinted at disturbing partners.
It is there, sometimes you have to take. You see, our Honorable Prime Minister, when this Operation Sindhu he made. So after that, there were some people, they from different countries, they were to come and they wanted to give some suggestion and they want to be intermediated like that. Then our Union Minister, the Foreign Minister, he already mentioned on behalf of our government of India, that is our Honorable Prime Minister, that we don't need any teacher, we want partner. So if you are a good partner, then welcome. And in that line only I have mentioned that we need good partner, not to make any troublesome partner. So always we are good, so why not you should be the good? We are being always good for the people. You should also behave like that.
In